Tired of encountering cold solder joints and component misplacement during PCBA assembly? These 3 techniques will help you avoid common pitfalls and improve yield rates. Tip 1. Conduct DFM review during design. Prevent component collisions by ensuring 0.2 mm spacing. Mark pads per datasheet to prevent cold solder joints. Reserve test points for post-production verification. Kaboer offers free DFM analysis to identify design flaws early and avoid rework. Tip 2. Implement 3-point component management. Label batches to prevent mix-ups. Wear an anti-static wrist strap when handling components or touching PCBs to protect chips. Store moisture-sensitive capacitors and ICs in humidity-controlled cabinets 60% humidity. Use opened components within 48 hours. Don't let good parts make bad boards. Tip 3. Monitor critical soldering parameters. Control SMT reflow peak temperature at T for 0 to 50 C. Maintain that wave soldering temperature at 255 C. Kaboer employs automated equipment for precise temperature control, minimizing soldering defects. Partner with Kaboer for professional assembly control, reliable and efficient.